Okay, should be live. Okay, today's August 29th. Welcome to my daily Forex market analysis. We probably go over 70 plus pairs, maybe more. I don't know, we go through a lot. So let's get started. We'll go through with the euro. I do have a couple intraday trend lines drawn and stuff like that, so just ignore that. I don't feel like deleting it. Nothing here. Australian dollar, US dollar. Still waiting for that to test that low. Same with the British pound. Japanese yen, we have an R side divergence here. It kind of tested this low, but there was really no indication that this wasn't really a hammer. But we had this massive candle the next day, and I don't know. We could see what I think we could see is an inverted head and shoulders here, which that was really drawn ugly. But we'll see. Keep your eye on that. Nothing here. Nothing there. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I do have a long order on. We had an engulfing candle today. I was waiting for this to come down and test this low. The problem is, once again, there wasn't really a clear setup. There wasn't really a hammer or anything like that, but there was this massive RSI divergence. We have a bottom, and we have this engulfing candle today, so I do expect price to continue up higher. And this is an all-time low on the weekly, as you can see here. So it's a pretty. If this thing breaks, it's game over. It's game over because the next support level, I think this is an all-time low. Yeah, this is an all-time low. So this should hold for at least in the short term. At least in the short term. So one thing you got to keep your eye on is this trend line. But yeah, there is a long position I do have set up here. Australian dollar, offshore Chinese yuan. We have a triple top here. Yeah, we have a triple top here, which is probably going to continue down. Then it's my guess, because it's consolidating sideways after this move down. You know what? I just realized. Okay, good. Desktop audio's off. Okay, never mind. Yeah. So I didn't really get in on this though. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Nothing is diverged though. Nothing. Australian dollar, Polish zloty. We have a long position on. We got long on this double bottom, and it's catching resistance here. It is a little worrisome, but I do want it to break this. If it breaks that, it might retrace a bit. It already did, so that's kind of a concern. Indecision. Bitcoin's breaking lower. What else? Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We must have just got taked in on this today. There's an RSI divergence, double bottom. We'll see. I don't know. Part of me thinks it's going to continue lower and retest. Actually, yeah, you know what? I don't know why I didn't consider that. We do kind of have a descending triangle forming here. So yeah, I would be cautious. I would be cautious. Yeah, I would not be surprised if it comes down and retests this low and stops me out. So we'll see. Swiss franc, Norwegian krone. We have this kind of top here. I don't know. I'm waiting for it to retest this support or this resistance level turn support. Offshore yuan, Japanese yen really diverged, but no bottom. Interesting divergence, pretty bad. Excuse me. That broke higher. This thing is so diverged though. Compare it to that, yeah, that's a massive divergence there. We're diverged all over here. All these divergences pulled back. Well, these aren't diverged, but okay. Yeah, but it's diverged here. And on the weekly, I'm sure it's really diverged. Yeah, weekly, that's kind of, I don't know what to think of that. Jesus, look at that. Interesting. Keep your eye on that. Euro Indian rupee broke lower, and then they faded this breakout. And it broke higher. Now it's consolidating. I expected to make another move up at least. Euro JPY, Euro MXN, Euro Norwegian krone. I thought that was beginning to form a descending triangle and would retrace and retest this Symmetrical triangle breakout point, but no. It looks like it might come up and retest this high, and we'll get an RSI divergence double top. So keep your eye on that. Euro NZD, nice. Euro NZD, we got a double top. RSI divergence. I didn't take it originally because there was no candle here, but now we have a decent candle that tells me there's a lot of indecision, and there's also a lot of bearish price action here. So I'm pretty confident this is heading lower. Even if just for a retracement, I don't know. We can at least get 2 to 1 out of it. I'm pretty confident in that. So I'm going to take this now. For stop loss back here. Let's see. And we'll go for our 2 to 1 for the time being. The projected distance on this thing, it takes us right about there. So 224.3, 446.4. Put a 2% risk on there. Alright, cool. Cool. Euro PLN. Wow. Look at that divergence. Wow. Wow. Let's go down to a lower time frame so we can really see what this looks like. Okay. Interesting. It's really wedging. I'm going to get short. I'm going to get short on this for sure. I'm actually curious to see here. What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay. Tried to break lower, got faded to the upside, and now we have this. It needs a pullback. It's going to pull back, so we might only be able to get like 2 to 1 out of it. And that's what we're going to aim for. Massive RSI divergence. We got a top. It came down. This is the trough, and it wedged up. So it's not like a perfect, beautiful top, but put our stop loss back here, and we'll go for our 2. Wow, we can get 2 pretty quick out of this. So yeah, honestly, you want to be in and out of this thing because it doesn't really look. Where's the nearest support? Right here. Yeah, they're about here. Okay, yeah, we have some resistance up in here. Yeah, we should be pretty safe putting our stop loss kind of close. I don't think this can sustain itself any higher, to be honest with you. So we're going to get short here. 367, 730. 367, 730. 32% risk. Shit. And there we are. Okay. Yo, run, no. No. Look for a top here, though. Look for a top here. It's coming up to retest this, so. Euro SGD, Euro TRY. What time is it? I got a pan in the oven I got to take out very shortly here. Okay. Euro ZAR. GPP odd, no. GPP CAD. Look for it to retest. All these are going to retest their bottom. So just keep your eye on that. All these British pound pairs, they're bound to retest or break lower, and I'm pretty sure they're just going to retest. Interesting. Is this a good short setup? No, there's just indecision. It's all spinning top candles here. But it does look like it's a 0.5, 0.618 retracement. Let's take a look, shall we? 0.618 exactly, they're about a little bit of an overshoot, but yeah. And we have this support and resistance line here. So there is an opportunity to say, okay, this is a trend continuation trade, if you so wanted, but I don't do Fibonacci retracement trades, so. Let's see here. Interesting. We got this symmetrical triangle here, a little bit ugly, but at the very minimum we have this downtrend line, and it's catching resistance here. It's way over. It can't sustain this, I don't think, much longer. What do I think of this? I don't know. I won't touch it, but you could get a short retracement trade out of this at bare minimum. You should be able to get a bounce off this trend line down, but I won't touch it. The spread's way too much on this anyway. 232. You can't. Who can do that? Okay. Whoa. Look at this. Check this one out. Okay. So let me get this. Sorry, it's black. All right. All-time low here on the Norwegian krone, Danish krone, and it's about to retest this bottom. Keep your eye on that because that's going to be a good setup to get long on. Bare minimum, you'll be able to get a retracement out of it, at least 2 to 1. But yeah, try and get long on this because this is gonna be a good setup. Nice RSI divergence with a double bottom. Here's another one I'd watch. Check, wait for it to break this base here. I think that's about it. Let's see, it's going on the US dollar pairs here. USD. That looks like it's ready to get shorted again. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Massive RSI divergence, engulfing candle. Really diverged here. Let's check this out. We got a trend overshoot. Bare minimum. Honestly, you could get short on this. Is there any resistance up in here? I don't think it's... Yeah, it's never been this high. It's never been this high. Look at this. Diverged. Diverged. Super... Okay, yeah. It's a tempting short to take, to be honest with you. It's a very tempting short to take. And your nearest support in any of this area, well, once you break this, it's this area. So if you can get... And also this here. These are your nearest support levels. But let's take a look at this, shall we? Say you get short here. Let's take a look on the hourly because I see a triangle formation kind of. Let's see here. What do we see here in the hourly? And what do we see here? I gotta take my pan out of the oven. Yep, sure enough, we have a triangle breaking out, and it's got a descending triangle here on a lower time frame. On the 15-minute here, we have a descending. Yeah, so this is a short setup for sure. And we're just going to get 2 to 1 out of this. We're just in and out, quick in and out. That's what I'm going for with these. Because I can't really say, there's not really any tells of how far this thing's going to go down. I think we're just going to trade it to this minor support. Okay, I need to hurry up because I got to get my pan out. 659.9, 659.9. I don't need to do the 0.9. 1333. 2% risk. Get a short on that. Okay, cool. I gotta hurry through these now. You can tell if I smell my pan. USD SEK. That's about the bottom. Check that one out. Thai baht. US dollar Thai baht. Watch that. That's it. Alright, that's all my pairs. Interesting setup here. That is a Head and Shoulders. It almost broke that that head. Check this out. Why is it that color? Come on. Shit. Alright, whatever. We're just going to draw it. What the hell? Jesus. Okay. Check this out. Let's see here. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. We got a head here. Looks like it's forming the right shoulder. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I'm not touching it though. I never have any good luck with the South African rand, so I don't touch it. And that's it. That's all. That's all I'm reviewing for today. Yeah, that's an engulfing candle. There's a short. Yep, that's it. So everyone take care. Trade safe. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.